Dubai's property market has always offered exciting opportunities for investors to build a diverse portfolio across the city. Over the last 12 months, prices have become even more affordable, with renters upscaling and landlords offering attractive payment terms. So will this trend continue this year? Here with his property predictions for 2020 is Engel & Volker's Mario Volpi. Mario, good to have you here, and Happy New Year as well.
Happy New Year to you.
As a renter myself, I've seen prices declining over the 2019. Do you think that trend's going to continue in 2020?
I think generally speaking, the answer to that will be yes. But I do offer a bit of a word of caution, because we have seen at Engel & Volker's some areas already where rents have started to stabilise and in certain cases go up as well.
Yeah, I mean, one of the big things that I've seen as well is landlords offering a lot more flexibility in terms of 12 checks. I would never have believed it sort of 4 or 5 years ago, but we're down, we're up to 12 checks now. And also I think landlords are becoming a little bit more careful about the upkeep of properties as well. Is this something that you've seen? What other trends might we see in 2020?
Yeah, no, definitely. I mean, the 12 check is not actually the norm yet. 4 checks is the norm. But that's definitely creeping to 6, and we are definitely seeing 12 as well. But also landlords are looking after their properties a lot more. They've got to make them attractive, because there are too few tenants chasing too many properties, and that's why they have to make sure that they've got some really good stock available.
I mean, with prices becoming ever more affordable, are we going to see a lot more renters becoming property owners?
Definitely. We started to see that this year, and as prices have sort of softened and come down, some agents are telling you that we're at the bottom. Not so sure, but definitely I'm going to see a lot more people, rather than paying rent, actually go into the property market and buy their own properties, especially where developers, for example, are offering excellent payment terms, post-handover payment plans, and some are even offering rent-to-own schemes as well, just to get people from renting into buying.
One of the big factors affecting rental prices are the number of units available. What do you think we'll see this year in terms of developers and the number of units they're releasing? Are they going to be quite strategic about it?
They have to be, but there are some developers that don't mind at all, and they just keep obviously putting new projects on the table. However, last year the government actually put into place some measures that will actually, in committees, that will actually look at the level of inventory coming on to limit the number of stock, because the stock, if there's too much stock, prices do definitely come down, and we are starting to feel that maybe the market is going to turn this year, especially with Expo coming.
Yeah, I mean, that's the big question, isn't it? What sort of impact do you think Expo 2020 Dubai is going to have on the rental market? Could you see people coming to Expo thinking, this is lovely, I'm going to buy myself a property?
Well, from the rental market, obviously, there's got to be lots of people offering their properties to rent, because there's going to be so many people coming. I think the holiday home sector will increase. But I think Expo is going to be really, really good for Dubai. There's going to be approximately 25 million visitors over the 6 months, and a portion of those people will definitely like what they see and will definitely want to buy. So I'm saying that perhaps property prices will start to have an uptick towards the end of this year.
Positive notes. Mario Volpi, thank you very much for joining us.
Thank you.